Hello, brothers and sisters. I hope you're fine, hale and healthy, and peaceful. I'm just sitting in front of this plant and being astonished by its morphology and its texture, its velvety in nature. I've seen these plants in multiple places. It grows wild. I've seen on the side of the roads, like this one, and there are many other plants. So while I was observing, I was just thinking, does every single plant which is in the wild have some medicinal values to it? How did that medicinal value come to it? That means that every single creation has certain purpose. And while I was thinking though, I went and did some research. I met some old people, and then recently I saw my mother and my grandmother utilizing this leaf for creating a concoction, kada basically, which was made by boiling these leaves, and they added some turmeric into it and pepper into it, and they used that concoction for dealing with catarrh issues, the issues of inflammation in your nose and phlegm, basically cold. And I was really astonished. Then I went and did some research. I have heard about ajwain. Then when I smelled this leaf, I realized it has the same smell of ajwain, but this leaf is not from an ajwain plant. It's just that it has the same smell of ajwain. It is very useful for your digestion. It is given to small children for their immunity. It also helps with hunger pangs. And if you're giving this can also help in weight loss because your hunger will be reduced totally. It is used for hair treatment, hair loss. The same boiled water can be applied on the hair and then washed. It can be used on your face for your acne, pimples. So one single leaf having multiple uses. So that means that everything in the nature has so many medicinal values. Of all that, you can just see the beauty of it. Such a beautiful plant.
This ajwain leaves, they're packed with antioxidants which prevent cholesterol that forms LDL. That is low LDL cholesterol, that's bad cholesterol, and it in turn increases good cholesterol. So it protects from heart diseases and atherosclerosis, and it's very good for stabilizing your hormones, so improves the skin. It is very important for a child's health. So ajwain leaf juice with little honey every morning. This will strengthen your child's immune system. It also acts as mouth freshener because of its antimicrobial properties. It can cure cold and cough. Take some 10 to 12 ajwain leaves and clean them with water, boil them in water in the low flame, let the decoction come out and use the decoction.
I hope this helps you understand the value of the things that are around us and thank God for what we have. We'll meet again. Thank you very much.